Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the market's most talked about stocks. Today, November 8th, 2024, we're focusing on Meta, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. We're going to look at the news impacting Meta, then dive deep into the technicals. Let's start with the news, so we can understand the context behind the chart data. The current headlines are buzzing about Meta's AI developments, with Jim Cramer stating that the market is underestimating their potential in the digital advertising space. Cramer highlights Meta AI's platform, which boasts over 500 million users and is expected to be the largest generative AI platform by year-end. He acknowledges the recent stock decline due to increased AI-related expenses, but emphasizes the investment's long-term benefits. Cramer believes Meta's AI investments will drive user engagement and ad revenue, leading to significant growth in the future. He points out Meta's massive user base of 3.3 billion, making them a strong contender in the Gen AI market. However, some analysts are concerned about the increasing competition from other tech giants like Google and the potential impact on Meta's market share. Looking at the headlines, Meta's future is uncertain, with the AI investment strategy potentially being both a boon and a challenge. Let's now move on to the technical analysis, starting with the daily chart. The daily chart shows a strong upward trend, with the price making higher highs and higher lows over the last few months. The price has recently broken above a key resistance level around $580, indicating bullish momentum. There are a couple of notable support levels to watch, the first being around $540, which held the price during a recent pullback. The second support level is around $500, which was a major support level in the past and could offer a good buying opportunity. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can zoom in on the last few weeks to see the recent price action in more detail. The 1-hour chart reveals a series of higher highs and higher lows, confirming the bullish trend that's been established on the daily chart. The price has been consolidating between $590 and $600 for the last few days, but with the recent break above resistance, there's a good chance we'll see a further surge to the upside. The 1-hour chart shows a strong volume spike on the recent break above resistance, indicating a strong move to the upside. There are a few key resistance levels to watch, starting with $600, which has been acting as a barrier for the last few days. The next resistance level is around $620, which could act as a significant obstacle. If the price breaks above $620, it could open the door for a larger move to the upside, with the next resistance level being around $650. However, if the price fails to break above $600 and falls back below $580, it could signal a weakening of the bullish trend. We need to be mindful of the recent negative news about potential increased competition from other tech giants. If the price fails to break above $600 and falls back below $580, it could signal a shift in sentiment. It's important to look for confirmation on the 15-minute chart, as this time frame will give us a better idea of the short-term momentum. The 15-minute chart provides a clear picture of the current short-term trend. The price has been consolidating between $590 and $595 for the last few hours, but with the recent break above $595, there's a strong chance we'll see a further surge to the upside. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see the volume spike on the recent break above resistance, indicating a strong move to the upside. The price has been consolidating between $590 and $595 for the last few hours, but with the recent break above $595, there's a strong chance we'll see a further surge to the upside. However, if the price fails to break above $595 and falls back below $590, it could signal a weakening of the bullish trend. This could be an early warning sign of a larger pullback. Therefore, it's crucial to watch the 15-minute chart closely for confirmation of the short-term trend. In conclusion, Meta's stock is currently in a bullish trend, with the recent break above resistance indicating strong momentum to the upside. However, there are a few key levels to watch, including $595 on the 15-minute chart, $600 on the 1-hour chart, and $580 on the daily chart. A break above $600 on the 1-hour chart could signal a further surge to the upside, with the next resistance level being around $620. However, a failure to break above $600 and a fall back below $580 on the daily chart could signal a weakening of the bullish trend and a potential pullback. It's important to watch the 15-minute chart closely for confirmation of the short-term trend, and to be mindful of the recent negative news about potential increased competition from other tech giants. If the price fails to break above $600 and falls back below $580, it could signal a shift in sentiment. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to monitor Meta's price action and provide updates on any significant developments.